So maybe I'll use this thumbnail as my YouTube thumbnail for this video. In this video, I'll show you how to create YouTube thumbnail in an easy way. At the end of this video, I'll also show you something interesting that can be life-changing for you. So without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, you need to sign up to this Canva, canva.com, and it is absolutely free to use Canva. Once you sign up to Canva, simply click on create a design and then type your YouTube. You can create anything that is related to YouTube from here. So let's select YouTube thumbnail. Now from here, let me click the text and then you can click on here and let me type here. So let's put it as a text and let me drag it at here. Now I can copy it and again paste it at here. Okay, so now I can select this element and use this. Now let me put it forward and let me change the color. Sorry. So this is the text. Let me change the color of the text to white. So again I can click on here and copy this border and paste it at here and pull it down and let me reduce it in this way, and let's put it backward and change the color of this text. Now let's select a YouTube logo by searching on Google. I have already downloaded this. Now let's come here and click on upload and click on upload media and click on device. So as you can see here, so let me click here and reduce the size of this logo. Let me put it at the middle here. Now for the background, I can, for example, let me use this background for now. So I have already downloaded that. So simply upload this media and double click on here. And now let me put it here and right click and then set image as background. So now what I can do is I can use other elements. Okay, so let's see for more shapes here. So let me use this for now and let me delete this background one. And change the color of this text. Okay, black is perfect. Now let me change this also. Here I will use this one. Now you can change the color of this text. In case if you didn't like this background, then you can simply click on this background and click on delete, and then again you can use another image and set as image background, and it will look like this. Or you can select any other background and use it in your thumbnail. Or what you can also do is you can simply select this white space and click on here and change the color to any that you want. So I like this background, so let's put it as a background, and let me change the color of this. So I can maybe put it, so maybe I can make it green, so it doesn't suit. So how does this seem? No, it is not nice. So if you don't want to undo the change, simply click on Ctrl Z and it will undo the changes that you have made. So in this simple way you can create YouTube thumbnail. You can just move this here and there. So maybe I'll use this thumbnail as my YouTube thumbnail for this video. Now I want to show you something special that can be life-changing for you. If you want to start an online business to generate this kind of revenue by either promoting your own product or other people's product, then I would strongly suggest you to join One Funnel Away Challenge. One Funnel Away Challenge is backed by 30 days money back guarantee. So at any time if you didn't like the challenge, you can get your full refund within 24 hours. I've given a link of One Funnel Away Challenge in the description of this video. You can click on it, check it out, and if it is good fit for you, I would suggest you to join it. I have personally joined it and it has been life-changing for me. Now it is your turn. So take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.